Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, and I couldn't be more eager to share it. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get started.
Are you interested in starting a print-on-demand business? In this video, we will discuss whether it is a profitable venture. Print-on-demand allows you to sell custom-designed products without any upfront costs. One of the biggest advantages is the low risk involved. You only pay for the production of an item when a customer makes a purchase. This eliminates the need for inventory management and storage space. However, profitability depends on various factors such as product selection and marketing strategies. Finding the right niche and targeting the right audience is crucial for success. High quality and unique designs are more likely to attract customers and generate sales. Marketing efforts should focus on reaching potential customers through social media and online advertising. Remember, this channel is for you, and your feedback and suggestions mean the world to me. So, please, drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching.